Keep it simple. Here's a simple and delicious anti-inflammatory recipe for you. Turmeric-Ginger Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, or any other plant-based milk. 1 ripe banana, but don't eat it. 1/2 cup frozen pineapple chunks. 1/2 teaspoon ground turmeric. 1/2 teaspoon grated fresh ginger. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, optional for added sweetness. 8 ice cubes, optional. Instructions: 1. In a blender, combine the almond milk, ripe banana, frozen pineapple chunks, ground turmeric, grated fresh ginger, chia seeds, and honey, maple syrup, if using. 2. Blend on high speed until all the ingredients are well combined and smooth. 3. If you prefer a colder smoothie, add a few ice cubes and blend again until desired consistency is reached. 4. Pour the smoothie into a glass and serve immediately. Optional additions: 1. You can add a handful of fresh spinach or kale for added nutrition. 2. If you like your smoothies thicker, you can include 1/2 an avocado. 3. You may also sprinkle some ground black pepper into the smoothie, as it can enhance the absorption of turmeric's active compound, curcumin. Enjoy this refreshing and anti-inflammatory smoothie as part of your healthy diet. Remember, if you have any specific dietary concerns or medical conditions, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. Thanks for watching, and keep it simple.